Just hold on to me. Don't let go of what it was when you know you fell away. Just hold on to me. Just